Heaven's soap. I had a request for this, so making up a big batch for everybody who wants it for Father's Day. I have my oils and lye measured out here, and pouring my lye water into my oils. There we go. Forgot my kaolin clay and my goat milk, so I'm going to get that in there. Okay. And then my stuff is dirty because I just did an unscented batch, so that's why I'm doing that. Here we go. All right. Now, let's get our colors and our fragrance. Okay. Okay, got my fragrance in. This one does go a little on the yellow side, so I just work with it. And let me just stir in the fragrance for this part. Okay. All right, now we're going to divide it up here. There's 1, 2. And this is going to be my white. Whew, I made a big old mess. Okay. Then I'm going to use, this one is Heaven's Gold, homemadesoapmakingsupplies.com. Heaven's Gold right there. And my bronze. Love, love, love the bronze. So pretty. Good. Great big old huge mess. This is my 4th batch of soap today, so I'm going on the end here to get this done. Alright, now let me wipe up my mess here. So, I have my molds, but first, forgot a step. First, I'm going to drop swirl these in. I forgot I was going to do some black. Yeah, that's okay. All right. Okay, then I'm just going to swirl this just a bit. Okay. Then take our mold, so I have 4 of these. They won't all fit on here, but I'll show you. Then I'm going to fill in my molds. accelerated a little bit quicker than I had wanted. So I am going to go ahead and just leave it messy and clean it up later. This one little bit there. Okay. Now I'm going to take off my gloves. Okay, so I have these guns. I use this little gun mold right here. Just use melt and pour soap. And then I pour it in there. Then we just set the gun on top. Okay, that did not swirl like I was anticipating, but that is okay. I will probably mist it with some gold. It's done here. Okay, I'm going to get these all put in. Then we're going to let it sit for 24 hours and we'll come back and unmold it. Okay, so these did not turn out at all like I had wanted. The colors blended too much. Yeah. So I think I'm going to have to remake these. I am going to go ahead, try one little thing here. I'm not getting my hopes up though. I don't know that it's going to work. So I'm just trimming off the excess edges here. So what I'm going to try, I'm going to take some mica, some gold mica, add some rubbing alcohol, whoops, well I don't have a pipette, but I have this. Let's just see if we decorate the top, if it'll do something. I don't know if it will. Nope, that just makes it worse. Okay, so I would say this is a dud. I will probably just discount these and go and make another batch now. But my colors just did not turn out. I forgot the black, and my colors swirled way more than I had wanted. So anyway, this one's a bomb. Oh well, so goes life. Please like, subscribe, and share, and give me a great big thumbs up.